Hey guys, how's it going? So I am back today with another hair video. So today's hair video is brought to you guys by Myfirstwigs.com. So this is another one of their bomb transparent Swiss lace wigs. I'm super excited to show you guys the styling of this unit. I did try to show it to you guys in a styled form, but obviously you can wear this in a middle part, side part, or whatever you guys want. But obviously for the purposes of this video, to kind of show you guys how wonderful this unit is, I had to go ahead and do a half up, half down look for you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. This unit, like I said, is absolutely amazing. You can see right here, guys, it is super transparent. The lace is like butter, baby, like butter. So I did want to go ahead and try to do some curls in this unit. It did come with a little bit of curls itself. The unit holds a really nice curl, guys. I did have to go ahead and use some hairspray in it. But the unit is a nice yaki texture, guys. I did not lose any texture after curling it. But you guys can see the hair is very, very pretty, very, very nice. And it does mimic a nice African American texture, guys. But let's just please get into this hairline. The hairline is everything for me, guys. The hairline really is everything. They did an excellent job with this unit. I did go ahead and pluck it a little bit extra, but it just looks absolutely gorgeous. It's just such a nice unit. so this is a finished look of this unit right here. So this unit, guys, obviously, as you know, is sent to me from Myfirstwigs.com. So this is the ADELA, I hope I pronounced that right, long wavy human hair wig, lace front wig. The SKU number on this one is NOV003. The hair length on this one, guys, is 20 inches long. It is 130% density, and it is a Yaki texture. Now this cap size is a cap size 1. You guys know I'm like a medium to average cap size. So just starting off, guys, the unit is bomb AF. I've actually been wearing this unit for about 4 days install wise. So install wise with the Bolt Hold Active has done such a great job, but the hairline on this unit, guys, is bomb AF, guys. This is a Swiss lace, so you guys can see how nice and transparent it is. I wanted to do kind of like showcase like a different style, just because I always do like a middle part, side part, even though sometimes you guys will see me with a half up, half down. But you know, the whole new kind of like in trend, kind of old school 90s look is to have these two little pieces out. So I wanted to do that with this hair, so I can show you guys that it can be styled multiple different ways. You can obviously wear it in a middle part style or a side part style, but you want to kind of go ahead and test other things out. So this did come with a few little kind of like light curls in it, but I did go in with my Duvoli wand curler, and I put in some basic curls in it. I feel like it holds a curl, but the curl does not last. The curls for me, I have to redo them kind of like every single day. It ends up giving you a nice kind of like light wave look, which you know, I'm cool with that as well too. But guys, the hairline for me, and Myfirstwig definitely has like the best hairline. Like the hairline for me, guys, is absolutely gorgeous. Very, very nice, guys. I didn't even have to do anything. It already came perfect. So this is what you're gonna get when you order it. Like I said, I did go ahead and try to style it up for you guys. You can go ahead and do whatever style you want, but I think that this style came out cute just because of the texture. Even though I did go ahead and curl the hair, I didn't lose any texture. I didn't run the curler through the kind of root area right here, so I do have like a lot of volume. Now this unit is 130% density, which kind of threw me off a little bit because I'm so familiar with wearing kind of like 150%, well, not even. Nowadays, your girl be wearing like 180% density, but because this is a Yaki texture, it definitely gives it like a little bit more of an oomph to it, as you guys can see. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like, guys, but all in all, I really think that this is a nice unit, guys. I'll leave all the information down below per usual, but do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.